When stress and tension take hold, the throbbing ache in your head can feel overwhelming. You may not realize it, but hidden chemicals in your environment could be triggering your stress headaches. These substances can lurk in everyday products like cleaning agents, perfumes, and even certain foods, unknowingly contributing to your headache discomfort. It's essential to recognize that stress isn't just a mental state, it has a direct impact on your physical well-being, including your headaches. Taking proactive steps to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, exercise, and self-care, can help you regain control over your body and alleviate the burden of headaches caused by stress. Dr. McKay at Core Health Darien has been delivering outstanding results for stress headaches naturally, relying on modern therapies for over 30 years. By addressing the root cause of tension headaches through spinal adjustments and muscle relaxation techniques, chiropractic care offers a holistic approach to stress and tension headache relief. You can expect to see positive changes in your symptoms as your body responds to the personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs. By promoting relaxation, reducing muscle tension, and enhancing blood flow, chiropractic care aims to provide sustainable relief from headaches without the need for medications.
Thanks for watching. I hope that you've learned some valuable information. I want to share with you a very special offer from Dr. McKay. It is really simple. All you need to do is click the special offer tab. You will go to our homepage and you will see me pop up with all of the details. I'm certain you're going to like what you hear. So click the special offer tab and look for me on the homepage. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.